Kevin here, back with another video. Hope you're doing fine and smiling. So today we've got a Lenovo Tab that we have bought for my grandfather. We will be unboxing it, and we've got our cousins here, and we've got Ethan.
Hello.
Who's gonna be doing the unboxing today?
So hello, and I'm going to be unboxing this tablet. This is Lenovo's budget tablet. This is a 4+64 version. It comes with Wi-Fi and LTE, which is what we have here because it's a nice feature to have. So let's go on with the unboxing. Okay, let's start. There we go.
Sweet.
This is the case. We'll come back to that. Let's just take this out. Wow, this feels so good. It really does feel
Premium,
good. Yeah, it does.
Quite premium.
Just gonna peel that off. Wow, it's so premium.
Oh, beautiful.
Looks amazing. Like the finish, it's very nice. It's really well built. This tablet does come with a few accessories. One of them is this clear case. Check this out. Wow. Feels good. Nice clear case.
Oh, you can also
and it has a stand too.
Yeah.
So you can do that.
Wow.
Wow.
On the table, let's see.
Wow,
Oh, sweet stuff. That's exactly what we want.
And then we have more in here. Because it's an LTE version, you get a SIM card ejector tool. You have the quick start guide, safety and warranty guide. Perfect. Then if you come over to the other side, we get a 20 watt. Yeah,
20 watt, is it?
20 watt charger.
Sweet.
And a
Good
cable.
enough.
For the price, what more can you ask for, right? This is good. Most modern phones don't even come with this. This is really good. So yeah. Here we have the tablet fully unboxed, and I'm really impressed for the price. It's very good. It feels good in your hand. It's really well built. I like the feel, the metal case. It feels really good to hold actually. So yeah, I'm really happy with this purchase. Definitely worth it. See how fast it is. This feels so good. Feels like an iPhone. Booting up. There we go.
Sweet.
It comes with Android 17, which is very, very good actually.
That's the latest one,
It's
is
the
it?
latest one.
Awesome.